Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine, and Dylan from TSET's joining us today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
being here. So we're going to just let Val jump into it. She's the pro, right?
Perfect.
So what are we doing today?
We are just doing a very, very simple dish. This is sauteed onions and cabbage. We're going to add a little bit of garlic to that. And there's a few beautiful things about this. One, is super easy to make. It's very versatile in making your meals, and it is cheap. I mean, it is extremely cheap. It's 34 cents a serving.
Wow. Oh my goodness,
Right.
which is great, especially these days,
Right.
right?
So all we've done in advance is chop up some or slice up some onion. You can see that those are nice and caramelized, and I'm going to start adding the shredded cabbage right now.
Now, is that just very quickly a whole head? Is that a whole head of cabbage?
This is a half a head of cabbage, and so you could actually buy, there's a couple, you could do like slaw mix, you could do that, they call it angel hair cabbage in a package. Of course, that's not going to be 34 cents a serving anymore. It is more expensive, but if that's the rate limiter for you that you don't want to get in the kitchen, then
do that.
Buy it in a bag, right?
Keep it easy.
Right, so we're just going to keep adding tongs full or handfuls of cabbage until it starts cooking down, and then when it gets wilted, keep adding more.
Okay, and while she's doing that, tell us a little bit about TSET.
So TSET, the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, we are tasked with making Oklahoma healthier. And one way we do that is with our Shape Your Future brand. And this recipe is just one of many that we have on shapeyourfutureok.com.
Okay.
Like Chef Val talked about, this is super cheap to make, and we have a ton of super cheap, free, easy recipes on shapeyourfutureok.com to check out.
You're making it very easy for people.
Exactly.
Literally, it's out there, it's available, just making those better choices.
Exactly.
Perfect. This is great. And now where are we at? Are we still loading the cabbage?
Yes, so this is going to take a little while. I mean, we're not going to have time to do this on air today.
Okay.
But so like I said, each handful or scoopful cooks down, add another fresh handful, and just cook down, and it gets like buttery. There's no butter in it. It gets very buttery and smooth and silky, and then it makes a great base for some chicken or fish that you add on top of it. And also, you could add some rice to this and make almost a stir fry.
I mean, you could turn this into many types of meals, like you just said, and adding the protein or vegetables, different things like that. It's a great way to just have a very easy, cheap meal.
Exactly. Now, will this cook down as much as, say, spinach?
Won't cook as much as spinach, no.
Okay.
But
perfect.
Still around half.
So it'll be half that amount, basically?
About.
Okay, got it. Well, thank you. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.